Hi, welcome to the Unstammer Reading Room, where we take you on a journey to experience English poems and prose from writers across the world. If you're a fan of world literature, are enthusiastic about learning English, or simply want someone to read you a bedtime story, this is the place to be. Today, we will listen to the English translation of Pablo Neruda's Puedo Escribir. Tonight I Can Write. Neruda was a Chilean writer and Nobel laureate, and this poem is from his anthology 20 Love Poems and a Song of Despair. This work has been translated from Spanish to English by WS Merwin. Tonight, I can write the saddest lines. Write, for example, the night is starry and the blue stars shiver in the distance. The night wind revolves in the sky and sings. Tonight, I can write the saddest lines. I loved her, and sometimes she loved me too. Through nights like this one, I held her in my arms. I kissed her again and again under the endless sky. She loved me sometimes, and I loved her too. How could one not have loved her great, still eyes? Tonight, I can write the saddest lines. To think that I do not have her, to feel that I have lost her, to hear the immense night, still more immense, without her. And the verse falls to the soul like dew to the pasture. What does it matter that my love could not keep her? The night is starry, and she is not with me. This is all. In the distance, someone is singing. In the distance. My soul is not satisfied that it has lost her. My sight tries to find her, as though to bring her closer. My heart looks for her, and she is not with me. The same night, whitening the same trees. We, of that time, are no longer the same. I no longer love her, that's certain. But how I loved her! My voice tried to find the wind to touch her hearing. Another's. She will be another's, as she was before my kisses. Her voice, her bright body, her infinite eyes. I no longer love her, that's certain. But maybe I love her. Love is so short, forgetting is so long. Because through nights like this one, I held her in my arms. My soul is not satisfied that it has lost her. Though this be the last pain that she makes me suffer, and these the last verses that I write for her. We hope you enjoyed that. To get immediate notifications about more poems and prose, you can subscribe to our YouTube page, Unstammer. Until our next literary journey together at the Unstammer Reading Room, adios, ciao, bye bye, and keep reading.